What's up guys, Mike here, and today is a very good day. As most of y'all know, back in end of May, beginning of June, I don't remember exactly, we picked up the 2021 live valve two-seater turbo, or not turbo yet, Talon, and the day I bought it, I actually ordered myself a roll cage for it because, as you know, I'm a safety guy, so straps went in before I even drove it a mile, and cage was ordered the second I bought this. Now, the guy I get all my cages through takes a while to get through because he's a custom builder and he takes a lot of pride in what he does. But it finally shipped, so I picked it up last night, so let's take a look at it. So now I kind of wanted to show you guys it all wrapped up real quick because I know for myself I am always real apprehensive on ordering something, especially from half the country away. Something as large as this and kind of what that shipping and everything looks like. So I want to show you kind of how it's wrapped up. Obviously it was in a pallet and I took the pallet out, but this is basically how it comes. So after you order it, you get the shipping figured out. They'll send it to a transfer station. So I just took my flatbed truck, drove up there, they picked it up. Typically if you slip the guy a 20, he'll let you take it out of the crate so you don't have to keep all that wood and try and get rid of that later on, and then you're good to go. So all I've got to do now is unwrap this guy and get to bolting on. We're not going to go over the entire install of everything just because there's not a lot to it. It's pretty straightforward, basic stuff. But I want to go over a couple little things about the install at the end that I found interesting on my last red Talon cage install. But we'll get to that right now. We'll take a look at some before and afters and see what you guys think. Alright, there you have it, the Krash Offroad Honda Talon roll cage. Now, this is my second one. I like the company a lot. I really like their product. It's a very complete system that they've developed. This is actually the first blue live valve cage that they've come out with, so I was able to sneak in there and snag the very first one they created, so that's pretty exciting. So as of right now, I'm the only one with this setup. So I'm sure that'll only last a couple weeks, but for right now, I'm gonna gloat. There's not a lot to say. I've already done a review video for the Krash Offroad cage, so if you haven't seen that, go back and find it. It's on my red Talon. Big fan of everything. The only downfall I would say at this point is that those of you that have seen a few of my videos, you know that I'm kind of a color freak, and I feel like the blue's a little bit off, and it's almost that borderline of what do you do type of thing. But I'm just gonna let that simmer for a little bit, kind of collect my thoughts and figure out what I'm gonna do as far as that goes. It's actually, if you've seen my live valve blue springs, I'm pretty sure it's the exact same blue that's on the Tinder springs that I got. So as you can tell, looks a ton better. Great cage. Still got to run all of the harnesses back in there, and I'm actually waiting for the UPS man because he should be here with my my new fire extinguisher holder and my side mirrors. I think we got something else, I don't remember. Anyway, but that's kind of it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tell everyone you know, especially your mom. And we will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.